The Kenwood PKT-23 is an incredibly lightweight and user-friendly analog two-way radio option. With 4 channels and offering up to 15 hours of operation, transmission can reach up to 5 miles of coverage in optimal conditions. An IP54 rating allows for this handheld to resist splashing water. For the workers utilizing this handheld, it is often important that their communications be hands-free in order to allow for more freedom in a hands-on environment. Some accessories which are great options in optimizing communications include multi-unit chargers. Multi-unit chargers allow for the consolidation of a team's two-way radios, rather than utilizing several single-unit chargers which take up more outlet space. A multi-unit charger enables multiple radios to be simultaneously charged and accounted for. Two-wire surveillance kit earpiece. For a more discreet form of communication, this two-wire earpiece is a great option. Simply clip the wire to your shirt and wrap the clear coil around your ear. A memory foam ear tip is included in order for this earpiece to form around your ear canal. D-shell earpiece. If you need an earpiece which is more durable, the D-shell would be a great option. This accessory can hold up in harsh environments and loops around the ear to secure to it. Replacement batteries. Replacement batteries are probably the most valuable accessory to have on hand for your two-way radio system. As batteries age, they lose power more quickly. Having extras will ensure that you never lose communication with your team for extended periods of time. For more information on accessories which work with the Kenwood PKT-23 two-way radio, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back with you.